from HostGator, and it's real easy. Okay, you click on web hosting. All right, so it's going to show you the different packages that they have to offer. Okay, get started with HostGator today. And HostGator is one of the best web hosting firms in the world, you guys. I'm telling you, they make everything so super easy. The customer service is excellent, always on point, and they're always there for you. All right, HostGator is the one. All right, I know you heard of all these other different hosting companies and all that, but forget what you heard. Everything that you need and that you want from a hosting company, you can get right here with HostGator. Okay, believe me, I've been doing this for a long time. All right, I've been with numerous hosting companies. All right, but the only one that I love and still do to this day is HostGator. All right, so I have my reason for that. You know, they just make everything so easy, and you're gonna see how easy they make it for you to actually get your website in one-click install to get your website up, you know, and online. You know, one-click WordPress install, and oh man, it's just amazing. I can go on forever. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to purchase your hosting. All right, so for this plan here, it's a single. If you're using a single domain, all right. So that means okay, and we're only using one domain, so it'll be fine to get this unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth. So that's pretty much everything you need. All right. So if you look over here, you'll see this is for unlimited domains. So if I'm going to use .commoney.info, .commoney.com, .commoney.net, then you're going to want to use, if you're going to use multiple domains, you're going to want to use this. You're going to want to get the baby plan with HostGator, all right? But we're not going to do that. We're going to get the hatchling plan with HostGator, okay? The hatchling plan, that's the most primitive, simple plan that they have. All of them are great, but trust me, this is all you need to start out. So what you want to do, you want to click on order now. Okay, so step one, choose a domain. All right, so we're not going to actually purchase our domain from HostGator because like I told you, we're going to get our domain from GoDaddy because I think that GoDaddy is the best when it comes to domains. All right, so like I said, I'm going to tell you what's the best for what, you know, what's the best website, what's the best service or product to use for any particular task, you know. So for purchasing domains, GoDaddy is number one. They are the best. For purchasing hosting, HostGator is the best in hosting. Okay, so just pay attention to my words because I've been doing this for a long time and I know what I'm talking about. And it will take me a whole nother video just to explain to you how and why I know. But trust me, just trust me on this one. All right. Okay, so you want to go to I currently have a domain name. Okay, so you want to use your existing domain name. So that's the domain that you just purchased from GoDaddy.com. All right, so what you want to do is you're going to put your domain here, and mine is .commoney.info. That's the domain that I'm using to build a website on today. So it's going to say enter a coupon code here. All right. Now, if you look around this video on my website, you're going to find a promo code for GoDaddy. So if you notice, this hatchling plan was like $3.49 per month. But the code that's on my site that I'm going to give you is going to allow you to get your hosting for 1 cent for the first month. Only 1 cent. So find that code now and come back to this video. Okay, now that you have your code, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and paste that code right here in the coupon code section, okay? And then you want to go to continue to step 2. Okay, so once you get to this section, this is the billing information. All right, you're going to see that you have your hatchling plan here. You got your billing cycle. It's going to show you that your hosting is you're gonna pay monthly for the hosting, and at $7.16 a month, plus you get 20% off of that, so it's gonna be like $3 and something a month. All right, so if you want to pay per 6 months, which I highly recommend, go ahead and pay. That way you'll have your hosting up to 6 months, and you don't have to worry about paying it every month. Or coming in here every month and paying it. But if you can't pay it for 6, 12, 24, 36 months, off top, go ahead and pay for that first month of hosting, and it'll get you started. Now, right here, you want to choose your username. All right, so you make your username whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna be Marvin T. All right, then you put in a security pin, which is gonna be four numbers. And if you do everything right, you'll see that all this, you'll have 4 green checks under the username. If you do that right, you'll have 2 green checks on the security pin if you do that right. So the next thing you want to do is you want to put in your first name, last name, email, home phone, address, city, state, zip, choose your country. Then after that, you want to add your credit card, or you want to click pay with PayPal. All right. So I'm paying with a credit card. So I put in my credit card number information here, bam, boom, pow. All right. So and if you're paying with PayPal, just click there, boom. All right. So please review the order details below. So 24/7, 365, phone, live chat, email, and support. You get that absolutely free, and that's one of the best services they have for you right here. You get instant account activation, money back guarantee, 45 days. So if you're not satisfied with your hosting after 45 days, you can get your money back and all that. But I guarantee you, once you get HostGator, you're not going to never want to leave. All right. So hosting, and they got a hatchling. You're getting the hatchling plan. All right, your package is a 1-month cycle. Using a coupon. Well, this coupon that I'm using here is for 20% off. So it's gonna allow me to get my domain at $1.79 for the first month. All right, the code I'm gonna give you is gonna allow you to get your domain for 1 cent for the first month. Alright, so I have my existing domain here, which is .commoney.info. Setup price $0. Okay, and my total amount due $7.16, but it's actually going to charge me, or actually should charge me, only $1.79. Alright, so you click here, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Boom, click create account. Once you create an account, they're going to charge your credit card for that 1 month, or they're going to take it to your PayPal account where you can go ahead and finish paying through PayPal. And once you do that, they're going to bring you back to a thank you page. All right. And your thank you page is basically going to tell you to check your email. Check your email for your login information to your hosting account. All right, so I've already purchased my hosting account, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put up that email that has my login information to my hosting account. We're going to go ahead and get logged into the hosting account. We're going to go ahead and add the domain. We're going to go ahead and get the website up. All right, stay tuned. The first thing you should see is the email that's saying, thank you for choosing HostGator as your web hosting provider. This email confirms that we have received your order. If you have already submitted a payment, your account will be set up within 20 minutes. If you have yet to make a payment, you may do so by going to HostGator/billing and logging in with your primary email address and password specified at the time of setup. Once your account is set up, you'll receive an email notification with your account information. If you fail to receive this email, please check your spam and junk email folders. If you still can't find it, please contact sales@hostgator.com with the alternate email address that we can use. Okay, so thank you again for choosing HostGator. We look forward to serving you. So if you see, you guys, I had to dig up this email. I received this email on September 16, 2009. So I've had this HostGator account for that long. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to wait on them to send you your account setup email. This could take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, so just be patient and just wait. All right, and this is what the email is going to look like. Okay, now once your account gets set up, You're gonna get an email. It's gonna say your HostGator account information. All right. So it's gonna say